The Blizzard Bag Filter SR, or side replacement, is a bag filter with a filter bag pneumatic cleaning system. Filtration elements can be replaced either from the top of the filter or from the side. This filter consists of a casing which houses the filter bags. Filters can be replaced either from the top or from the side. Clean air chambers, self-cleaning systems, dust-collecting hoppers. Due to its elongated form, a screw-on dust discharger is installed inside the conical hopper. A sluice valve is mounted on the dust discharge flange. The filter purifies contaminated air and removes dust with a size of 0.2 micrometers or more. Large service doors allow the filter to be easily serviced. The service platform and ladder are optional and can be delivered upon the request of the customer. The filter may be equipped with extra accessories such as a vibration shaker for the hopper, explosion relief membranes, thermal insulation, and other optional elements requested by the customer. Don't hesitate to ask. We're here to help.